Hello everyone. In this video we will look at the tooltip feature introduced in Power BI desktop from the March 2018 onwards. So what you need to do is install a Power BI desktop which is 2018 March onwards and go to the options and settings tab and click on options. Go to preview features if it is the March 2018 version. If it is any version after that, you don't need to enable it. And click on report page tooltips. Click OK. And what you need to do is, so as a first step, you need to define a page as a tooltip page. So you need to go to the format and go and set the page size as tooltip. And what I've done is I've gone to the view and I've set it as actual size. So that's why the size is reduced. So you can go and see what will be the actual size of the tooltip. And then you go to the page information and turn the tooltip to on. So once you've set the tooltip to on page information, you go here, which is the fields, and drag the tooltip or the field for which you want the tooltip to appear under tooltip field. So I will select sales amount. And now what I can do is I can build some visuals around this. So I'll use a chart and I will say sales amount and by calendar year. I'll just change the color for this. I will go and change the color to now. I will copy this, Control C, Control V, drag it here and convert it into a donut chart, and again do a Control C, Control V and convert it into a tree map. So we've created our tooltip. Now what you need to do is go on and create a separate page which will be more like a separate report, and you use the same field, sales amount. So use that, and we will just do a distribution by English product category. So this is how it looks like. So because we said that when we created a tooltip, we said that the tooltip is anytime anyone hovers over the sales amount field in any visual, it should show a tooltip. So if we go and hover over here, you see that it shows us the tooltip. So you can see that for bikes, the sales in 2007, 2006 by amount, and accessories, you can similarly look at accessories. And you can see there was no accessories prior to 2007, and similarly for clothing. So in this video we learned how to create tooltips and how to show or make the tooltips appear for different visuals. And I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Also feel free to post any queries if you've got any questions around this. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, like